Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect any random login page to BuddyPress profile page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using BuddyPress plugin and we are going to redirect user to BuddyPress profile page after login. So user can use any login page and after login redirection to BuddyPress profile. So we are going to add custom code. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title A, then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to redirect user to BuddyPress profile, so user can use any login page and add their information. Now you see profile, edit URL, members, and then you see member select and then you see profile. If you want you can remove this, so it's up to you. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now open login page. So this is a login page. So it is not compulsory that your login page must be from BuddyPress plugin. So you can use any login page from any plugin. So this is a login page and we are going to add our information. So we added username and password and then click on login. Now you see user BuddyPress profile open after login. So this is the URL. Now you see members. So this is the username and then you see profile. So this is the URL. After redirection open BuddyPress profile page by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.